Hello, dear listeners. Have you ever tried to speak English and suddenly your mind went blank? You knew the words, you understood the question, but you just froze. If that's ever happened to you, don't skip this video. Welcome to Easy Fluent English. This is not a class. This is not grammar pressure. And you don't need perfect English here. This channel is for people who want to listen more, feel relaxed, and speak naturally. Real conversations. Simple English. No rush, no judgment. So if you want to improve your English just by listening, you're in the right place. Take a breath and relax. Before starting the Easy Fluent English podcast, one thing I must say. If you are listening and you like our show, please click the like button right now. It helps us a lot. And please subscribe to the Easy Fluent English channel. When you subscribe, you never miss a fun lesson, and it inspires us to make more fantastic episodes. And share this podcast with your friends. If they are learning English, they will love these tips too. Hi, Russell. How was your day?
Extraordinary. Honestly, one of those days that just feels right.
That sounds interesting. What made it extraordinary?
Nothing dramatic, just calm, productive, and peaceful. Sometimes that's enough.
I agree. So tell me, what did you have for breakfast today?
Simple breakfast, eggs, bread, and tea. Not fancy, but it keeps me going.
That's a good habit. Do you usually eat breakfast every day?
Most days, yes. I noticed my energy drops when I skip it.
Same here. And how was the weather on your side today?
A bit cloudy in the morning, but warm later. Perfect for focus, actually.
I like that kind of weather. Not too hot, not too cold.
Exactly. It affects mood more than we realize.
Speaking of mood, how are you feeling physically today?
Feeling good. A little tired, maybe, but healthy overall.
That's good to hear. Do you exercise regularly?
Not intense workouts. Mostly walking and stretching. Consistency matters more to me.
That's a healthy mindset. What about habits? Any habit you're trying to improve these days?
Waking up earlier and using my phone less at night.
That's a common struggle.
Very common. But I'm trying. Slowly.
That's what counts. Last question before we move on. Are you more of a morning person or a night person?
Somewhere in between. Early mornings are hard, but late nights cost me the next day.
Fair answer. All right, then. Now that we're warmed up, let's move into our main topic.
I am really excited to talk about the topic, but you didn't tell me, TK.
Today, our topic is the use of 3 phrasal verbs. Get up, get on, and get off. All right, let's move into our main topic. All right, Russell, let's begin with something everyone does every day. Let's talk about get up.
Perfect. Get up is one of the first English phrases people learn because it's part of daily life.
So, what does get up actually mean?
It means to wake up and leave your bed. Not just opening your eyes, actually standing up.
That's an important point. You can wake up, but still not get up.
Exactly. Now, let's go through examples.
Example 1.
1. I get up at 6 a.m.
That's a routine example. What about weekends?
2. On Sundays, I get up late.
Nice. How about past tense?
3. Yesterday, I got up early for a meeting.
Good. Can we use it as a command?
Of course. 4. Get up or you'll be late for school.
That sounds very real. Any emotional example?
It was hard to get up after such a tiring night.
Nice. Can get up be used outside sleeping?
Yes. It can also mean to stand up.
Give examples.
6. Everyone got up when the teacher entered the room. 7. Please get up and introduce yourself.
Great. More daily life ones?
8. I struggle to get up during winter mornings. 9. She gets up before sunrise to pray. 10. If you get up early, your day feels longer.
That's a solid set. So get up means leave the bed or stand up.
Exactly.
Let's move on to get on. This one has more than one meaning.
Yes, and that's why learners get confused.
Let's start with transportation.
All right, get on means to enter a bus, a train, a plane, or any vehicle.
Examples: Slowly.
1. I got on the bus at the main road. 2. She gets on the train every morning at 8 a.m. 3. We got on the plane just before the gate closed.
Clear. What about bikes?
Yes. 4. He got on his bike and left.
Now the second meaning, relationships.
Right? Get on also means to have a good relationship.
Examples?
5. I get on well with my coworkers. 6. She doesn't get on with her neighbor.
So negative works too.
Yes. 7. They used to fight, but now they get on better.
Any daily conversation example?
8. Do you get on with your classmates? 9. He's friendly and gets on with everyone. 10. It's easier to work when people get on.
That's very natural English. Now let's finish with get off.
This is basically the opposite of get on.
Transportation first.
Get off means to leave a bus, a train, or a vehicle.
Examples.
1. I got off the bus near my house. 2. She gets off the train at the last station. 3. We got off the plane safely.
Good. What about commands?
4. Please get off the bus here.
Any other meanings?
Yes. Get off also means to stop using or leave something.
Examples.
5. Get off your phone and focus. 6. He was told to get off social media for a while. 7. Please get off the grass.
That's common English. Any emotional tone?
8. I needed to get off work early today. 9. She finally got off her bad habits. 10. Let's get off this topic and move on.
Excellent, that really covers it. So today we talked deeply about get up, get on, and get off. If you master these, your spoken English becomes natural.
Well, everyone, we hope you enjoyed our conversation today.
Yes. Thank you for listening to us. It was so much fun.
Now we have a question for you. We want to read your comments.
Yes. Tell us, have you started learning English?
Or tell us, what time do you usually wake up? We want to know.
Please write your answer in English in the comments. It is great practice for you, and please subscribe to the Easy Fluent English channel.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends.
It helps us so much to make more episodes.
Thank you, everyone. You are amazing. Bye-bye, everyone.
Yes, thank you. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful night. Russell. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.